Hey guys, it's been a long time. So I can't remember the last time I came on in front of camera without having anything prepared, because that's just my usual setup. Yeah, I've been away for about almost 2 years now. 2 years? Yeah, probably something like that. Yeah, and I mean, maybe I'll start with why I left. Back then, I was just so tired of YouTube. I just couldn't take it anymore. So I just cut myself off from YouTube completely. And I know some of you were really concerned, and I apologize for not keeping you up to date. But I'm fine. Nothing's happened to me. I just got really, really tired. Yeah. So why am I making this video? I kind of miss YouTube actually. I kind of want to make videos, maybe not as fast paced as I did before, but maybe something I can do in my leisure time when I have free time and stuff like that. So I won't say I'm back completely. I won't say I'm back, doing product reviews every day, even every week. I was talking to Alex, my friend from Redskull Productions. He's a big shot now. He's got 190,000 subscribers at the time of this video. Check out his channel below. I'll link it down below. Yeah, and even he's told me that it's really hard to get product nowadays. So with that out of the way, I do want to say that my interests right now in terms of videos lie in the direction of informational videos, like the ones I made about why Chinese phones are so cheap. I got a couple of ideas bouncing around. You can expect a video within the next 20 days or so. I'm working on something right now. It is Corona time, so I have more free time on my hands because I can't go out, can't go anywhere. So, but yeah, for those of you who stuck around, thank you for sticking around for so long. I appreciate it. And I just saw a rabbit run by right there. See that? Yeah, rabbits come around my place a lot more because my dog actually passed away in March, like last March, like a year ago. So I was really sad. I'm still sad, but I'm not like like my grieving's over. So if I do make any more videos, you won't see him anymore. So just check out the older videos if you want to see my dog. But yeah, so stay tuned and thanks for staying subscribed.